What's the fade? Hey, you got your cake? You like it? That's how you eat it? So you don't get your hands dirty? Let me see your hands. Num num. Why don't you eat it with your hands? Pick it up and eat it.
Did you get it?
Do you like food? You don't? Do you like cake? You don't? Do you like mommy? Do you like daddy? Do you like little J? You should. Say, Do you like to see yourself? Yeah. That's you. Eat some more cake. Why not? Show me your teeth. Need some more. Need some water? Jay, that one doesn't work that way. It's got a straw in it. Is that the best way to do it? Probably not, huh? Okay, say bye-bye. You can say, I love you.
Hi.
You say, I love you. Bye-bye.